Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to clean under your nails. This will be a tutorial for cleaning dirty nails. Now I know that many people don't like it when there's dirt under the nails. It doesn't bother me too much personally, but I know many people really don't like it when they see dirt under people's nails. So I'm going to show you how to clean that specific area. A lot of people will wash their hands and think that that's good enough, but the truth of the matter is that it doesn't get really underneath the nails. So if you want to get rid of that dirt and get rid of those germs that are caught underneath your nails, and this is the method for you. All that you need is some soap and water, and then you need something like this, which is actually a cuticle pusher. So some people will use like tweezers or something sharp like this end of it. I would not recommend that because that's going to dig away at the skin underneath your nail. What you want is a cuticle pusher like this. A cuticle pusher is just something that is meant to push your cuticles down like that, but it's usually like plastic or even a hard rubber, and it's not really that sharp, so it's perfect for this. So what I recommend is that you turn on the water, and sorry, it's going to get kind of loud right here, but you're going to turn on the water. I'll turn it on very lightly so it's not that loud. And with the water, you're going to sort of wet your hands like this, and you're going to start off by getting some soap and just giving your hands a very quick wash, just like that. So I have this soap right here. I'm just going to go ahead and wash my hands, and while my hands are nice and soapy, I want to use that. So my hands are still really soapy. I want to use that to clean out the underside of the nail. So I'm going to get the cuticle pusher, and I'm going to go underneath the nail like this, just like that, all the way around the nail. And if you have dirt underneath the nail or germs, this is actually going to just allow it to pull out that dirt and those germs, just like that. You're just going to do that. That's all that you need to do. That should loosen up and free up anything underneath the nail. Just go through each nail one by one like that. Okay, obviously, take your time. Go through each nail just like that. And get out all of that dirt and those germs, just like this. Okay? And once you're done that, all that you have to do is just finish washing your hands. So like I said, at this point now, I'm just going to go ahead and get the water underneath all of my fingernails, just like that. And all of the dirt and germs should now come out. And now I have cleaned underneath my nails. And what I can do now is I can turn off the water. So we stop with that sound, dry off my hands. And if you can take a look right here, underneath my nails is perfectly clean. So that's how to clean underneath your nails. Very easy method, and using a cuticle pusher like this will not actually harm the skin or deteriorate anything underneath the nails. And that said, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.